Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Good morning to everyone and afternoon. So basically, this video have been recorded because of some of you are asking regarding about the reflection. So like to last week, I already informed how to do the reflection. So by today, I am record and then send to you guys. Send this recording to at our WhatsApp group, so that you may refer and know how to do the reflection, and after that you can send to the leader and compile. Okay, so we take a look uh the sharing that I would like to have here. Okay. uh, okay, all right. Okay, so I hope you guys can look into the WhatsApp group. I already sent the information yesterday, Monday, regarding the reflection submission, which is through leader, which is have to compile. Okay, guys, you still remember that I am start class 5 of March, face to face, which is I am briefing regarding about the ice breaking, core subject, which is we will manage to do a weekly activity and everything. By right, on 5th of March, I am not touched yet about the major project. Okay, I'm not touched yet about the major project because of I would like you guys settle the reflection and portfolio first. Okay, and after that, 12th of March, you are doing the reflection based on the individually, and then you submit the reflection weekly through online. Okay, so first, before you start the reflection, you have to review all the activities I am stated here. Okay, 12 March to 2nd of April, 9th of April, and then 16th of April, which is we do have several activities. Okay, so basically we already done almost 10 activities. By right, we are choose. So activities number one, it was about understanding argument, spotting hidden belief. Okay, what did you learn from this? Okay, what did you learn from this? All the activities, activity one, activity two, activity three, activity four, activity five, activity six, go to the overall reflection. Okay, see, this one is an activity. So you have to state that activity one is what? And then activity two is what? Activity three is what? So means that, is it you have to do eight, what we call eight reflection. Okay, so means that we do have a, let's say this 12th of March. So copy this one, go to overall. Okay, date of event you stated here. Okay, this one, and then activity, what kind of the activity? Okay, activity one and activity two. Copy activity one and activity two. Okay, so you have two activities here. So two activities here, and then date it will be this one. So venue, our class. Okay, you have to refer from our class venue, and then organized by whom? Organized by your group. You are group number what? Stated here, group number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's okay. Okay. All right. So number of participants. So you guys are doing as a group. So by group, it should be as a 5 members, let's say. But you make it as a bracket, one class as a what we call one class as a let's say 30 members. Okay, so based on this activity one and the activity two, number one, self-awareness. Identify attribute, blah, 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 blah. Okay, list down. Okay, explain how each attribute help you close specific gaps or weaknesses. Okay, attribute 1, attribute 2, and attribute 3. I already stated here, problem solving, difficulty analyzing, struggling with evolution. Just make some explanation. Okay, to get more marks, you have to give more. Okay, you have to give more because of what? Because it will be stated here how many pages. Okay, it will be stated here how many pages. And then number 2, it will be closing learning gaps. Okay, learning gaps 1 for the activity 1, 2 is what? Action, result. Learning gap 2, description, action, result. Application and transfer and soft skill, what? Okay, explain values learned and the values that you are learned, and then just submit this one. Okay, by right this one. Okay, it will be based on the activity 1 and 2, and then what should you have to do? Copy this one. Okay, copy. Okay, copy this one. Copy before this. Okay, and then make it as a different. Okay, make it as a different. So this one is for what? Okay, this one back to your this one. Okay, this is based on 2nd of April. Copy 2nd of April. 2nd of April, what kind of activities? This activity 3. Okay, this activity 3. And another one, it is the activity 4. Okay, same. Okay, this one still remain as the same. You just copyright saja. Okay, you just copyright. But this one be different. Self-awareness different because of the activities itself. Listening, rotation, and argue of the other side. Okay, it's about what? Answer. And then go to the next one. Copy. Okay, copy. And then it will be here. Okay, it will be as the next reflection. Okay, 9 April. Copy 9 April. And then the activities should be 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6. Same goes. Okay, what should you have to do here? Copy again this one. Actually, somehow it will be it will be same answer by right focusing on different activity. Okay, focusing on different activity because of activity 5 and 6 is different. Okay, because of this date is a activity 5 and 6. Then we move to the next one. Okay, luckily we doesn't have any much activity so far. Okay, so we just focus for the next activity, which is the next activity. It will be okay. This 16th of April. So 16th of April, you just copy here. Okay, copy here. Copy here. And then venue our class. And then activity what? 7. Okay, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so based on this activity, okay, that activity that I'm give it to you last class, okay, last 2 weeks. So you just explain here, what is a self-awareness, everything, blah, 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 blah. And then your name, your metric, your student signature, and date. So when you are finished, okay, some of you maybe mentioned that, okay, madam, I would like to have only every activity just 2 or 2 pages only. It's up to you. Either you want to make it as a 2 pages, 3 pages, 4 pages. By right, all the activities need to be included here so that you are not having any difficulties when submission the reflection. Okay, So once done, printed, okay, print front back. Okay, print front back. Front back means that depan belakang. You print depan belakang. So you print depan belakang, let's say it will be 11 pages, it's just only 5 pages of paper. And after that, you send to the leader. Okay, you send to the leader. So this is the overall reflection that you have to submit, but to me by this week. Okay, through leader. Okay, so I will I will attach. Okay, I already sent this empty form overall reflection to at our WhatsApp group. So you just copy the title. Don't be lazy. Jangan malas. Okay. Might be like we are discussed before. Sometimes you want to come up your own ideas. Okay, you just want to list 3 attributes. You just list down. List one words, one sentences is up to you. More you give, more marks. Okay, less you give, less marks. So more you give, more good, um, more good of grade. If you are not able to give a very good explanation, then we have to give you the very lower marks. Okay, so let me stop for a while this sharing. So I hope everyone are clear about the reflection. Because of this reflection, it will be accumulate 30%. Okay, you have to understand 30%. Either you want to use the ChatGPT, and after that you want to rephrase, up to you. You just only need to have sit together among your group members and then finalize and do it. Okay, you can do as a type. Okay, no need to do as a handwriting. So if you type, it will be quite it will be quite easy for you guys to have this. Okay, so I already explained and give a demo to you guys how to do reflection. Then I hope, okay, there is no any issues that you are not finished yet, you didn't know how to do and everything. So basically, reflection is a very easy to get a marks. It just only needs you to put a little bit of effort. You can sit together with among your group members, and then you can discuss, get some ideas, and do this reflection. Okay, so if you manage to have a discussion with among your group members, if not, then don't mention to me that this Thursday you cannot submit because of blah 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 blah, or you didn't understand, you didn't know, you are not sit together with the among your group members. Because of this, you can manage to do by yourself. Okay, so I think I would like to close our session for today. If you need anything, you just let me know so that I can do some demonstration to you guys, so that it will be much better to have a very smooth submission. And of course, I hope and I would like to get attention from you guys and also cooperation from you guys to manage and also to settle by right. This Thursday is already printed and also mine. So today is a Tuesday, so you still have a you still have a time and manage to do by tomorrow before we meet this Thursday, 4 o'clock. Okay? All right. I think that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone. Anything, you just inform me and text me. All right? Bye.